Don't think that dog's the only one excited about this year's 2023 Fitzgerald Fall Festival. I heard that there would be a collection of antique tractors and a few private airplanes that flew in overnight that you could see. In addition to all the great food, vendors, kids' activities, and awesome music of an epic fall festival. This town is all about unity, as was its original objective in providing a Southern community joining the Union and Confederate veterans a place to live together. The Grand Theater, which shows current movies, caught my eye as I was walking through the brick-paved downtown area. Let's head out to Polk Park, where our adventure begins. Located north of the festival is this Ag Center. So let's start off by going and seeing some big old hogs. So how are you enjoying the festival today, Mr. Hog? One of those hogs may be the champion of today's swine show. I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Denovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Let's go see some of the vendors. As the band plays some ZZ Top, I will show you some of the unique vendors that caught my eye, especially with the Halloween themed items. They have rows of all kinds of vendors. I start off with Southern Blossom Designs, who had these unique cups. I can see the Grinch, Harry Potter, and I can see this glass cup that has Chucky, Ghostface, and Freddy on them. Southern Piles Creation are into the Halloween theming. I like the nightmare images over there. There's a happy skeleton. I see you, Chucky, hiding out on that cup. And there's Jack Skellington and Ghostface. These skull arts at the Creations by Renee booth were a Halloween delight. They had plenty of unique items to choose from. And that looks like a real friendly ghost. Here's some other scenes throughout the vendor area. If you made it this far through my video, then please make sure you're subscribed. Then you can hit that bell and be notified when I release my next adventure. Dobby, you may need to put some sunblock on. I was impressed with this meticulous artwork by this vendor. Whoever buys one of these are definitely going to own a masterpiece. And this exciting vendor, Lil Chub, which is located in downtown Fitzgerald, definitely is catching the attention of everybody. I hope I don't fall. At Lil Chub, they even have indoor skate ramps. Located to the west of where the vendors are is the static display for the tractors. Here's some of the Farmall brand tractors. You can walk next to these farming beasts, and if you ask, you can possibly sit and pose for a picture. That reminds me, please give me a big thumbs up for this video. Even though these were designed to be for the necessity of early farming, they are now looked on as historical works of art. Here's the well-known John Deere brand tractors. This John Deere tractor looks like it's on wagon wheels. Some of these tractors may have been passed on from generation to generation. And speaking of innovation, this gentleman geniusly designed this blade to etch his driveway. Bless you! You can find many types of early American tractors here today. I am sure that many have painstakingly restored some of these old tractors. This 1974 Ford tractor looks brand new. Today's weather has been beautiful, but the wind is playing havoc on my microphone. Today's festival even had the slowest tractor race. And the winner, by an amazing snail's pace, is the John Deere lawn tractor. That band today is playing all kinds of great tunes.
There was a lot of people that flew in their airplanes last night because the airport's located right here on the grounds, and they camped out. So let's go check out some of the airplanes.
To me, it would be so awesome to own your own airplane. I want to go check out that yellow sporty looking airplane. Yeah, this would be the kind that I would like to own. And there goes someone off to their next adventure. Bill Leftwich had his AirCam twin-engine airplane here today. This airplane is extremely safe to fly and offers remarkable visibility for enjoying the views overhead. It's almost time for the Antique Tractor Parade. Some of the tractor owners are warming up their machines. Now it's time for them to get staged for the parade. I should have tried to get a ride on that wagon. This looks like a tractor pull or drag racing style creation. If you listen closely, that tractor is saying that the 2023 Fitzgerald Fall Festival is awesome. I I will not narrate during the Antique Tractor Parade, so I hope you enjoy the sounds of these incredible beauties.
hope y'all enjoyed my video on the Fitzgerald Fall Festival. Remember to please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I release my next video.
And also remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator.